I'll show my method of cutting these brackets. There are 8 of them. Here's one that's just finished. I have one more to go, and I'm drilling 3/16 areas. I'm using the Olson scroll saw blades. These are spiral tooth. They seem to work best for me on this process. Now there's several steps of doing things here. I have this little thing so that I can poke my blade through the hole in the bottom, and then come down with the arm. I've released all the tension. Now connecting the top of the blade, and then I run it all the way to 5. So it's pretty tight. Okay, then I loosen the blade, then raise this up, and I should be able to get that chip out of there. That's the process. And then I just go to the next hole and continue this process.